Audio tips and tricks. How to clean hard to access RCA and AC power contacts. How many of you clean the RCA signal contact that is inside the hole of an RCA jack? How many of you clean the IEC connector of a power cable? How many of you clean the contacts of the AC receptacle that powers your audio equipment? My answer to all three questions is never. Why is that? Well, for one, these contacts are hidden and, as the adage goes, out of sight, out of mind. They are also hard to access with typical cleaning tools. These contacts are exposed to air and will oxidize and accumulate dirt over time, reducing conductivity. In this video, I offer several tips that will help you clean these three contact areas safely and effectively. To clean the signal lead for the RCA jacks on this phono preamplifier, I'm going to use some Q-tips and some contact cleaner. But you can see that the Q-tip head is quite large and will not go directly in to the hole. So I'm just going to take some of the cotton swab out to make the, I'll leave a bit of the cotton there so it can absorb some of the contact cleaner, and dip some contact cleaner in, and then we can go into each hole. The output jacks. This unit is only a couple of years old, so contacts shouldn't be too dirty. I guess I spoke too soon. And this is a set of RCA jacks from my turntable. This was manufactured in around 2012. This is wired jute twine, basically wire with a bit of rope wrapped around it, and I'm going to try and use this to clean the contacts inside this IEC connector. I've crimped this wire onto itself, and it does fit into the slot here of the IEC connector. I'm going to dip it into some contact cleaner. Just slide it in and out. The AC receptacle that provides power to your audio and video electronics should facilitate the flow of electricity and not be a bottleneck. A common tweak is to replace the standard house-grade AC outlet with one that is rated for hospital use. These have wiper contacts that grip firmly on both sides of the blade of an AC plug, ensuring good physical as well as electrical contact. They do not spark when a plug is inserted into the receptacle. This is important in a hospital setting where flammable gases could be ignited by an electrical spark. Before cleaning the contacts of a power receptacle, turn off the power from the electrical panel for your own safety. A thin wooden craft stick dipped in cleaning solution is the only tool I can think of that can fit into and clean this area. To reuse the stick for other cleaning, remove the dirty end by clipping it off with a pair of pliers. So I'll dip the other end in and continue my cleaning. So there is dirt and oxidization that's built up inside the contacts over the past 20 odd years, giving the AC receptacle contacts a squirt of contact cleaner and sealer is probably not going to hurt either. In conclusion, cleaning the electrical contacts of RCA jacks, IEC connectors, and AC receptacles will improve conductivity as a minimum. Doing this is a bit like taking a shower. Afterwards, you feel clean, refreshed, and energized. You might find that your audio system is similarly energized after a cleaning. Dynamics might pop a bit more, instrumentals and vocals just a touch more realistic perhaps. This could be a psychological bias, but if your system seems to sound better to you, then it was worth the effort. Happy listening.